Lichens are mutualistic symbiotic associations between fungi and photoautotrophs, mainly green algae and cyanobacteria. The visible structure of lichen is primarily composed of fungal material, with algal cells being embedded within the hyphae. The fungus protects the algae from strong light and dehydration. The algae provide food to the fungus through photosynthesis. Lichens can grow in harsh environments where neither fungi nor algae could survive alone. Lichens vary in color, shape, and growth form and are important bioindicators of air pollution.